Navigating disorganized digital files through a graphical interface often leads to a bottleneck of slow clicks and hidden menus. The Linux terminal provides a way to bypass that friction. The cat command is a standard tool for this environment. It allows you to view, combine, and organize plain text files with simple keyboard instructions. To follow the steps in this tutorial, you will need a Linux terminal window, opened with Ctrl-Alt-T, and at least 2 sample text files in your current directory. Using the terminal allows you to access and display data with a few keystrokes, providing a more direct path to your files than searching through graphical folders. To begin, type cat and press enter. At first, the terminal appears to do nothing, providing only a blinking cursor. The terminal remains active, waiting for standard input. Type hello world and press enter, and the terminal repeats it. You're in an interactive loop. Exit by pressing Ctrl-D. This breaks the loop and returns you to the prompt. While interactive echoing is a core feature, the command is most effective when used to target specific files already stored on your system. To display a specific file, type cat followed by a space and the file name, for example, list1.txt. Linux requires exact case sensitivity. If your file has capital letters, include them in your command, or the terminal will fail to locate the file. Press enter, and the terminal reads the document, printing the entire contents of the file onto your screen as standard output. Efficiently retrieving and reading data is the base requirement for the complex file manipulations that follow. The command name cat is an abbreviation of concatenate, a term for linking separate items together in a sequence. You can link multiple text files by listing their names in a single command, such as cat list1.txt, list2.txt. When you execute this, the terminal prints the contents of the first file and then starts the second file immediately after the first one ends. This process creates a combined view in your terminal window without altering the original files stored on your hard drive. Concatenation allows you to review fragmented information as a single unified block of text while keeping your source documents intact. Large text files often contain excessive blank lines that make the information difficult to read quickly. This graphic shows a disorganized file on the left. By adding the -s flag, the squeeze option, the output on the right condenses those multiple gaps into a single blank line. You can also organize the view by adding the -n flag to number every line, or the -b flag to only number lines that contain text. To identify hidden formatting, the capital -E flag places a $sign at the end of each line, marking the exact point where the text stops. These options provide a way to clean and parse raw data for easier reading without modifying the actual source code or text. To find more advanced flags, you can access the built-in manual by typing man-cat. This serves as the internal documentation for the tool. Once you have found the information you need, press the Q key to close the manual and return to your command prompt. You have now mastered the 3 primary functions of this command: displaying plain text files, combining them into sequences, and formatting the resulting output. The next step is to save this output into a brand new file by using command line redirection. Efficient system management relies on connecting these individual commands to handle increasingly complex data tasks.